According to the Education Ministry, 42% of the 14,300 students who wrote the National Grade 6 assessment secured over a 50% pass rate in mathematics. This is an improvement from the 38.3% seen in 2018 and a stark improvement from the 13.85% recorded in 2016. The ministry said this is as a result of the ministry's Emergency Mathematics Intervention Plan, which entailed training of teachers in content and methodology, recruitment of maths coordinators, and administering a diagnostic assessment of pupils in the hinterland regions. However, while the ministry has been focusing on mathematics improvement, the other three subject areas have seen a decrease from 2018. Chief Education Officer Marcel Hudson said the issue is now being highlighted.
At least the teachers mentioned that maybe we've been paying more attention to mathematics. But what we want, like I said, we want to see a universal movement in all the subject areas. But we're particularly happy to know that in those two areas, mathematics and English, those subject areas that are critical for our children matriculating, meaning moving from one level to another, be it secondary school, university, and so on, they have been doing consistently well. And so we have to make sure that we do not continue to focus on those areas at the expense of other areas. And that is something that is brought sharply into focus at this time.
Education Minister Nicolette Henry sought to defend the performance by noting that passes in all subject areas improved from 2012 to present. It was pointed out that while 39 to 57% of the students who wrote the examination passed in the various subject areas, this also meant that 43 to 61% of those students failed the exams. The minister argued that education is a process which takes time to show results.
I really would be happy as Minister of Education if I were to come here today and say all of the students were able to get more than 50%. We are a long shot away from that. And what I can say to you is that there are several things that have to happen in order for us to be able to make significant progress.
A 57.4% pass rate was recorded in English in 2019 as compared to 60.6% last year. 39% of the candidates gained 50% and more in social studies as opposed to 46.1% in 2018, and 42.4% gained 50 and more in science as opposed to 46.8% in 2018. Baby Katoon, Newsroom.